Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Banks and cambios are selling the U.S. currency for an average $154.19. It's costing $125.51 for the Canadian dollar, $212.78 is the going rate for the pound, and $181.54 for the euro. To learn some news associated with the stock exchange, the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE and the Cayman Islands Stock Exchange CSX have approved reciprocal agreements of recognition in keeping with each exchange's rules. This is a continuation of the JSE's development of the region's capital market. Now, Managing Director of the JSE, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, said mutual recognition makes it easier for issuers, investors and other participants in the financial sector to access each exchange for listings and other services within the financial sector. Now, several companies have released their most recent financial reports. Here's a roundup of a few. Tourism attraction Margaritaville Turks has recorded another quarter of financial losses. For the first 3 months of its 2021-2022 financial year, the company registered a net loss of $282,000. This was an improvement from the $438,000 loss reported in August 2020. The company earned no revenue except for funds from the disposal of items to prevent spoilage. Margaritaville Turks says the return of cruise ships will strengthen its rebound. Caribbean Cream earned less profit for the half-year mark compared to the corresponding period in 2020. For the 6 months to August 31, the company earned a net profit of $61.4 million, down from $74 million last year. However, revenues from the period were up $143 million, amounting to just over $1 billion. Caribbean Cream says increased administrative expenses and the no-movement days weighed heavily on its results. And at the end of today's session, the JSE Index declined by 2,628 points, while the Junior Market Index gained 16 points. Now, advancing today were Stanley Motor Ordinary Shares, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Caribbean Cream, JMMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, and Express Catering. While on the losing side were Siboney Group, Portland JSX, JMMB Group 5.75% US dollar shares, CAC 2000 and G West Corporation. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Don't go anywhere. We'll have your regional and international news stories right after this break.